In the past few years, drones have become an integral part of the Energy and Environment Cabinet's work. The Cabinet uses a fleet of 15 drones, also known as unmanned aircraft systems, to prioritize employee safety and improve the quality of data we collect. In 2015, the Division of Abandoned Minelands became the first agency within EEC to use drones. The Cabinet's first pilots realized that drones could be used to see Kentucky's natural resources from hundreds of feet above ground.
Landslides are probably the most frequent thing that we get calls about. We're there to fix that slide. Usually we just remove all the loose material. The drones help, along with our traditional surveying methods, of getting an estimate of how much material has moved and how much material needs to be moved to make the area safe. Back before drones, you basically had to have AML personnel walking around on that slide.
From there, other divisions began realizing the potential of drones. Early pilots worked closely with the Transportation Cabinet to expand usage to other divisions and explore new ways to use this technology. Drones have made it safer and more efficient than ever to perform routine inspections. In the past couple years, drone missions have allowed the Division of Water to better assess the health of Kentucky's state-owned dams.
An inspector would have to go out and inspect these dams by actually walking down the face of the dam sometimes. And some of these are like 35, 40 degree and several hundred feet down to the water. And to do an actual dam inspection like that, you're probably talking 4 to 5 hours, plus putting people in hazardous conditions that they really don't need to be in. Well, when I do a dam inspection now, I can fly the whole site in about 20 minutes.
When disaster strikes, drone pilots are among the first to arrive at the scene. Flying above the wreckage, drones can provide real-time information to decision makers, allowing for faster response to environmental emergencies. Such was the case in 2019, when a mudslide caused a train derailment in Pike County. A live drone feed was instrumental in helping decision makers figure out the safest, most efficient way to remove the train from the riverbed. In all areas of the Cabinet, our personnel rely on quality data to make decisions that will protect human health and the environment.
You can survey about 5 acres a minute. It's extremely efficient. It produces an enormous amount of data. It would literally take months for you to even capture a fraction of the detail that you can obtain with drones.
In the Division of Abandoned Minelands, drones are used to capture images and create 3D elevation models. Drones allow these flights to be done in-house, which is cost-effective and makes it possible to have near real-time data. And that only scratches the surface. Our pilots use drones to assess the impact of weather on Kentucky's trees and document every landfill in the state. They've developed a drone that takes air samples inside smoke plumes to keep our inspectors out of harm's way. We're just now understanding the potential of this technology and the ways in which drones improve our ability to serve Kentuckians.